sit around with a bowl of fruit all day and just eat whole foods. Here's a source of vitamin C. It's a little Chiara orange. There's some watermelon, which has all sorts of goodies. Watermelon is better for you than just drinking plain water, unless you're going to drink your water from a copper cup, so that this water is mineralized and electrified and therefore is beneficial to your body. Drinking water out of a plastic bottle is useless because this is dead water right in here. Never mind the fact that plastics, this thing travels across the country. Sometimes it gets heated, and that there are microplastics in here that are detrimental to your body and that actually disturb melanin production, among other things, carcinogenic, plastic. So why am I telling you this? I'm telling you this so that you guys live intelligently in a way that empowers you and is healthy for your body, because this is your temple that houses your spirit. Copper is very important for melanin production. Of all the minerals that there are, copper is the most important. That is why we are here. Now, in order for the copper, right, to actually do what it's supposed to do, it's got to be given to us in the medium of water. Now, I want to tell you something about hydration. If you just drink pure water, you're going to pee it out. However, if you eat watermelon, your cells are better able to absorb the water in the watermelon because of the minerals that are in the watermelon that assist this water to be carried across the cell membrane of your cells. So you could drink gallons and gallons and gallons of water, and you can still be dehydrated at the cellular level, where water is actually needed for those functions and processes of life. That is why we mineralize our water, so that it can be easier absorbed by electrifying it, right? Because minerals are basically things like calcium, magnesium, copper, chromium, like micro minerals that are, they form what are called ions, right? And then you have negatively charged, positively charged, creates some electricity, and that is able to get passed across the cell membrane, taking the water with it, so that your cells are sufficiently hydrated to do the work that they need to do so that you are kept healthy. So before you take one of these and open it and chug it down, think again. You're actually better off opening this, pouring it in a copper cup. And I know people are into your Stanley cups and stuff. Melanated beings, get you a copper cup. I'm not here, by the way, I'm not advertising for anyone. I'm literally here to just give you health medication. The Stanley is great. It's a huge volume. But I tell you what, you don't have to drink so much water if you are drinking what we call electrified or hydrated water. Meaning if you're eating lots of watermelon, if you're drinking from a copper cup, you're not going to need that much water. The reason you end up drinking gallons and gallons and still feel thirsty is because your cells are sending messages to your brain that, hey, we are thirsty over here. Then your brain kind of tickles every other part of you, including your tongue and your throat, to say, we are thirsty. And you're drinking this water and drinking this water, and it's not quenching your thirst because it's your cells that are thirsty. You're peeing and peeing and peeing, and you're like, I'm drinking a whole ton of water, but I'm still thirsty. Well, that water is, you're peeing it out, the kidneys, you're flushing your kidneys out very well. But the water is not getting taken across the cell membrane where it's needed for cellular function. Every single cellular function in your body happens in the medium of water. So when there's insufficient water, these processes don't happen. And one of the major processes is detoxing the cells. Getting rid of toxins that we are consuming with the food we consume. Toxins that are in the air that we breathe. Toxins in, listen guys, we are toxified. We are fully toxified.